Have you ever imagined building real strength, balance, and endurance without moving a muscle? That's the hidden power of isometric training. Instead of endless reps or heavy equipment, isometrics work by holding a single position, forcing your muscles into deep, continuous contraction. Each second in an isometric stance equals the effort of multiple reps of a conventional exercise. That's why elite athletes, martial artists, and even military units use isometrics to develop unmatched strength and stability. The best part? Anyone can do them, no matter your age or fitness level. In this video, we'll go through 6 powerful isometric positions that activate forgotten muscles, protect your joints, improve posture, and enhance circulation. You'll learn not just how to hold them, but why they work and how they transform everyday movement. Ready to test your endurance? Let's begin with the first move, one that looks simple, but will set your legs on fire. Imagine choosing between 100 squats or sitting completely still for 2 minutes. Surprisingly, the still option might be harder. That's the wall sit, an exercise where you sit against a wall as if on an invisible chair, thighs parallel to the floor, knees at 90 degrees. The burn you feel is your quads, glutes, and core working at maximum effort. This static hold builds muscular endurance, strengthens your legs, and trains your body to resist fatigue. Firefighters, soldiers, and athletes rely on wall sites to develop stamina for demanding tasks. Beyond strength, it reinforces your spine by forcing constant core engagement. To try it, stand with your back against a wall, slide down until your thighs are level, and keep your feet slightly forward. Hold for 30 seconds at first, then increase over time. It's simple, but brutal in the best way. An instant test of lower body strength and willpower. Traditional lunges are powerful but often done wrong, leading to knee strain and imbalance. The static lunge hold solves this problem. Instead of repeating reps, you step forward into a lunge, bend both knees, and simply hold. Your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and hip stabilizers all fire at once, while your core works overtime to keep you upright. This variation builds endurance, balance, and corrects asymmetries between legs. It improves coordination, posture, and single-leg stability, skills crucial for climbing stairs, walking uphill, or carrying loads without wobbling. To perform, step 1 foot forward, drop into lunge position with your chest upright, and hold for 30 seconds or more. Keep your front knee over your ankle, not past your toes. Switch sides and repeat. For an added challenge, raise your arms overhead or close your eyes to train balance. Static lunges deliver firm legs, stable hips, and a stronger spine, all without a single rep. Hours of sitting weaken your glutes, creating a problem known as gluteal amnesia. The glute bridge hold reawakens them. Lying on your back, you push through your heels, lift your hips, and hold a straight line from shoulders to knees. This position sends a powerful signal to your nervous system. Glutes, wake up. Over time, it retrains your body to use the right muscles for walking, squatting, or standing tall. Benefits include stronger hips, improved posture, and less lower back pain, since the posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, and spinal muscles are all activated. To perform, lie flat, bend your knees, feet hip-width apart, and press hips upward. Squeeze hard and hold. For advanced versions, raise one leg and maintain the position. Few exercises match this one for restoring strength where modern life takes it away. It's simple, accessible, and incredibly effective. Rooted in martial arts, the horse stance is a timeless exercise that challenges both body and mind. Stand with feet wide, knees bent, and hold as if sitting low on an invisible chair. Sounds simple, but after seconds, your legs tremble, your core locks in, and your focus sharpens. Unlike squats, this stance builds endurance in stillness. Your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and adductors all engage deeply, while your spine stays tall and your breath controlled. Martial artists use this position to train discipline, patience, and strength. For you, it offers improved balance, joint stability, and stronger core alignment. Start with 30 seconds, then progress to 1 or 2 minutes. Keep weight evenly on your feet and avoid leaning forward. Practice daily. It improves posture, reduces back tension, and forges both physical and mental resilience. It's not just exercise, it's training and focus under pressure. Your calves are more important than you think. Acting like mini pumps, they circulate blood upward against gravity, moving over 7,000 liters daily. The static calf. Raise hold view strengthens these overlooked muscles. Standing tall, you rise onto the balls of your feet and hold. This activates both the gastrocnemius and soleus, the muscles that protect ankles, stabilize balance, and power every step. Strong calves reduce swelling, prevent injuries, and improve endurance for walking, running, and climbing. They even lower the risk of varicose veins and poor circulation. To perform, stand hip-width apart, lift your heels slowly, and hold at the top for 20 to 60 seconds. Breathe steadily. Over time, try single leg holds or add weight for more intensity. Calves are your second heart. Train them and you build strength from the ground up, ensuring mobility and resilience for years to come. The most advanced hold in this series, the airplane pose, is a true test of strength, coordination, and concentration. Balancing on one leg, you hinge your torso forward while extending your other leg behind, arms stretched wide like airplane wings. Your entire body, glutes, hamstrings, quads, ankles, and especially your core, fires non-stop to keep you steady. This move enhances body awareness, balance, and full body control. It's a favorite in yoga and athletic training for developing focus as much as physical strength. To practice, stand on one slightly bent leg, hinge forward, lift the other leg back, and align your body in one straight line. Hold as long as you can. Few exercises match its ability to unite mind and muscle. Consistent practice brings better stability, sharper coordination, and the confidence to move fluidly through life.